Are my teeth still white? I recently bleached them, can you tell? I'm really focused today. Do you struggle with getting rid of things?
Don't worry, you're not alone.
My closest friends are coming over, so me and Mama Mai can decide if what they have is trash or treasure. But real talk, the final decision is up to you. Your trash,
My treasure! I say hello, honey, right?
Mom, just go along with the flow. Ready?
That's me, don't say it or what?
Mom, welcome to Your Trash, My Treasure. Hello, Hunnay!
Hello, honey!
Hello, Hunnay. Hi.
So Daniel, you guys may recognize because whenever I'm doing red carpet shows, Daniel would do my Instagram takeover. And he would do a lot of questionable things that almost cost me my job. He's like my little brother, he's like my big sister. And you're here to
It's
join
your brother, not your sister.
He's kind of
your
like
brother.
Mom,
Both.
he's kind of like a sister.
Oh, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Do you
yes,
know what
guys.
we mean?
JY.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Why are we
like that.
whispering it?
Because
We're
I want to
proud.
say it loud. So
We're
they
loud
can-
and proud, so if anyone's watching.
Good, I'm proud. He's half and half.
Yes.
Is that right?
No, he only
Like,
likes the
just
other
one.
half. He
Just
doesn't
the
like
other
our
half.
half.
Whatever, don't worry. He's JY.
Oh.
All right, Mom, do you know about Your Trash, My Treasure?
Yeah, I know about it.
What is it? What does
You
it
throw
mean?
it away, I pick up and I use it again.
That's not what the show is about, no.
What is it about?
If you have something that maybe you should throw away, we will help to encourage you to say, oh, trash or treasure? Trash. You throw it away or you donate it to get it out of your life so you have less clutter.
Treasure. Most of the time I would keep it, so
That's the problem. That's why you're sitting on this show, because we want you to get rid of
we
Treasure.
can create something. Gonna be the new thing.
Mom, start to surrender things. Get things out of your life.
I'll try my best, but sometimes it's worked well. I keep it and use something else. I save money,
I just want to say,
right?
ever since
think I'm
my
on her side.
Yeah,
shut.
that's my side. I told
I-
You
you.
don't have a lot of clutter in your house.
Well, you'll see in my front closet when you open, like, whoa, what's in here? And then I also have it in like random drawers. On the outside, you can see everything looks really nice, but when you open the inside, it's
But
just,
I'm the only one
it's just
crazy,
trash,
crazy.
just like
Okay, then this
myself.
episode is going to benefit everybody because I actually want to get rid of things in my life. Mario, can you just pan over here? Wait, before you pan, I just want to say, when I first redecorated this room, I had only an Alexa machine, a framed picture of me and the girls at the reel, and my awards. I want you to see just in the last few weeks how the this has turned out ever since these people have not been throwing away what we call trash. Take a look. Look at this.
Which one?
Your I have this stupid plaque that I don't know who gave my mom, but I don't need.
I like
Oh my
that. I
God,
like
that's
Fake hair that we said we'd give to Shanola. You were supposed to take this fake hair, Shanola.
That
Whose
was
nipple covers are these?
yours.
Whose?
Mine.
Ginny, this one when you go to sleep, you can put it in your eyes. You see what I mean? That's how I do it. Say I don't waste anything. Save it, yeah. You go to the airplane, you know, whatever you talk to me, go ahead talk. I put like that. You see?
Oh,
And then I sleep. Go
my
ahead,
God,
keep
those
Oh my
are all
God.
my nipples. How much do I rewear
Say-
those? Tell them how much do I rewear them. Daniel.
I just want to see if it really actually like.
All right. So,
God.
Your trash, my treasure. You're clear, everybody. You guys have to help us decide, is it trash or treasure? If you say it's trash, we're getting rid of it. Agreed?
Yeah, think about it. I'll think about it.
Let's begin.
Okay.
Save it for me on the side.
Yeah.
This one comes with a little bit of petty spaghetti. A lot of you guys compliment my mom for her style. I get it. She's got a wacky, fun, eccentric style, but she also gets inspired by some things that I bring home. So, I want to show Exhibit A. Look at her eyes. Oh my gosh.
That's
She's
a
like,
nice
she's
hat.
like, I want it. I'm like, trash.
I love this. So, this is a beautiful headpiece. Oh my God, it's so cute.
No.
It's so cute. It's so British. And I love it because I actually think I bought this on a trip to Russia when I was hosting Miss Universe. I love that it can be tilted in any certain way. If you want to be somebody who works at Carl's Jr., you can be
Let me
Victoria Spice going to the royal wedding.
What royal weddings are you going to?
I'm gonna go to one because this show's gonna take me there.
Okay.
That's really nice. I like it so much, you know.
So trash or treasure?
Trash.
Treasure.
Trash.
Oh, I think
trash.
treasure.
Over your face.
Trash.
Treasure all the way.
It looks
No.
great on you. It's like one of those things where it's like you're like the you know,
rich
like a sugar
and
like a
face
sugar
mask.
daddy's funeral. Like if you're like the mistress
that's
on the
okay.
side or
No.
something like that. Like to
I
be
can-
like
no.
incognito, but you're like wearing it so to like to take notice. It's like
I can wear
guess
it
it's
to
a
go to
power
the funeral.
move.
My mom does go to funerals for
I go
fun.
funeral. I wear this. I don't
She
mind.
loves going to funerals. Mom, you have to be careful when you post on Instagram. You post stories of people's funerals and you post the body.
It's like the body, and I'm like,
Make them happy. Become famous. They're happy
no.
when they die. I put them on Instagram.
Spell what you just said.
Famous. Famous. Famous.
This
Trash.
looks good.
It's trash.
Don't lie, it looks good.
It's trash.
You see, I cover my face. Nobody see. I'm eating. I open this one. I put it up.
What the
And then now can I start.
Oh my God, that's so ugly.
No, you look funny. You look stupid when you wear that hat.
Okay,
the
so
blue
wait,
one.
no,
I have
hold
the
on.
blue
I'm gonna
one. I
call you
have the
out.
blue
No,
one.
we're gonna keep it real here. Daniel is calling this trash, but 1 year ago we dressed up for Halloween.
You were Prince Harry
I dressed up as Prince
with
Harry.
the royal family.
He dressed up as Meghan Markle, and he wore a hat just like this for his costume.
As
Yeah.
a costume, not for like going out for like.
But that means treasures because you should keep it because you never know.
Keep it.
Keep
Keep
this for me
it.
next
Keep it.
year.
We're gonna keep it.
Next outfit. I had credit for this brand called Mango. It was like leftover store credit, and if I didn't get something, I wouldn't have gotten it. I didn't have to really pay for it, even though I already paid for it.
Right.
It's a velour, like, I don't know what it is, but it's a velour zip up that's kind of a dress, and I thought that I was gonna alter it to go shorter for the airport with some kicks, and maybe a hoodie with the hood sticking on the back. You see it, you see it. Treasure.
Look like a cow a little bit, but I like it.
I was saying.
You're very
like
comfortable
a-
when you go to sleep.
What are you doing?
I know.
There was like a scent, so I just like I was like, is it coming from there?
That's my
Does
side.
it smell like that?
can
I
wear
like it.
go
I
to
think
the
it's
airport.
actually
I
pretty
like
sick.
it. That's beautiful. That look good on me, not look good on you, Jeannie.
No, you're only saying that because.
No,
Because she
because
wants
this
it,
one
'cause she
bigger,
wants it.
bigger.
Yeah, but I like things oversized.
But I feel like the material, you're like a sexy couch.
Sexy cow.
Sexy couch,
Yeah.
couch.
Cow, C-O-U.
Couch, like feel this material and then
That's
feel
what
the
C-O-U.
material of the couch.
The cow, C-O-U. Sexy cow.
Couch, like yeah,
Oh,
this
the
couch,
couch,
couch.
I'm talking about a cow. Beautiful cow. C-O-U. The color look like a cow. Oh,
There's a smell to it. Smell it.
that's a cow.
Mom,
You
There's a
smell
smell.
it.
There's
That's
a
not
smell
how
to
a cow
it.
sounds,
How's
Mom.
the cow?
Moo.
Oh yeah, something like that, whatever.
That was my
Wait,
list.
you're not done with yours. I have one more
What?
that I want to show to everyone who watches.
Okay.
Another piece that I consider trash.
Of mine?
yours.
Did
Are
you go through my stuff?
With Marav's permission.
What the hell are you grabbing?
Oh. This like hors d'oeuvre tray of like old
Marav, you're fired!
old
Fired!
lashes.
You
I
can't
think this
believe
is
it.
trash. There's like so much dust collected.
I know.
There's like
Okay.
a random like
No, but you put
tag.
You put an alcohol on and you clean it. You
See?
good.
Okay.
That's a lot of money.
He's right, he's right.
Trash.
All right,
Trash.
so wait, let me explain myself because you're my fam, so I'm gonna explain myself so you guys don't think that I'm that horrible. I work every day and I'm usually wearing like at least 1 to 2 pairs of lashes just because I change lashes, I change shoots. So I take them off because I'm so tired at night. And sometimes I put it there and the next day if I do my own makeup, I just grab them because they're already shaped to my eye. I think that these can be cleaned like Mama said with alcohol. And we could use them. I'm not
Reuse
saying you have
them.
to, but I'm saying they could, so I will say treasure for that.
Treasure. She bought an expensive one, so I always use it.
Yeah, some of these are really expensive lashes too.
How can you tell which ones are the cheap ones and the
I can
expensive
tell.
ones?
Sit down,
Are they
just
off?
trash
Are
or
they
treasure?
off? I'm gonna say trash. It's kind of like it's dirty. It's
No,
like-
you wash it.
I
You put
guess.
alcohol, it's clean. You know when you broken heart, okay? You cry. You just sitting down, put an alcohol and clean by one. You know, patient. You do a lot of good job when you're doing this.
I don't feel like you would clean them. I feel like you're always like running around that you're
He's
just like,
right.
whatever. I'll just put it
Don't
on.
worry, I use
And then
it.
you get like a sty.
Okay.
I had a sty last week and
My-
it was disgusting. It was
Listen,
terrible.
All right, fine. So trash or treasure, I'll let you decide.
It's trash.
Treasure.
It's like unhygienic.
Marav! Daniel, it's your turn.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one is this, it's some art pieces. It's, there's different drawings of myself. There's this painting right here.
Oh.
That's look like you. That's nice one.
That is me, it is
That
me.
does not look.
That
Oh,
is
that's
me.
him. That's him. That's
Yeah, I
him.
know, but that doesn't look like you.
No, when he's skinny.
I lost a lot of weight. I lost a
Before
lot
and
of weight for
after.
this.
Who would do this for you?
One of my friends painted me at one time. My friend Jenna painted me.
Oh, now I feel like it says, Daniel, follow your dreams, for as you dream, you shall become. Never doubt how incredible you are. Happy birthday, my love. Is this the artist that you bought things for?
Yes,
Kelly Osbourne?
yes,
you
and for
So
yourself.
fun fact, for my birthday and Kelly Osbourne's birthday, we're both bookends and besties for him. Daniel gifted us with this amazing artist's personal work and portrayal of Kelly Osbourne and myself. And tell me in the comments below, I'm just learning because I only know how to keep it trill. How do you accept a gift, especially when it's supposed to portray you if it doesn't look exactly like you? I'm not saying it looks bad, it doesn't look exactly like you.
It looks like you. Well, I'll send you guys the photo so you can see
We're
it.
going-
DM me for the photo.
We're gonna post the photo
Okay.
of this amazing artist's version of me. Again, everybody's perspective is relative. You could say I have a big nose, she could say I have a small nose. Doesn't matter. But I just want you to tell me, does this painting look like me? Comment below.
Why?
That does look like me.
That's him when he was
This
young.
is me right here when I was young. I was
Young,
wearing
like
an
a
anchor blue
17.
sweater. I got this done at a little place called Knott's Berry Farm for $14.
No, that look like you.
Except it looks like I'm balding there and I'm not. I don't think I was. I was like 12
It's
here.
actually cute. I like
That's
it. I
cute.
get it now.
Cute.
Keep
It's
that.
cute.
I get
Keep
it now.
Keep that.
Here's the best one. This one's just like pop art. Like you would see this in like Paris Hilton's house. Like,
I don't like this one. Look like you have a ding dong in your nose right there. That's one chew ball and the ding dong right there. Whoever thought this one look ugly? Look at chew ball and the ding dong hanging.
Exactly.
I
like
drew
that.
this one.
You are the.
I drew this one.
A terrible
I drew
one.
this one.
That's ugly one.
Why did you put that as your eyes? Isn't that kind of stereotypically like
It was a
negative on
quick.
us?
It was quick art. I made it during college one day after I was with my friends, and I was like, I need some art for my room, so I did this.
You look like you have a for a nose. Trash or treasure?
You know what?
treasure.
No, the best way. No.
I think treasure. I
No.
actually think the meaning behind
Jeannie.
it's really cute.
Put in the garage. Anytime when you get mad at somebody, you come over and you throw the thing, on your face. You like that.
Yeah,
like
you
that.
could throw it like make it a dartboard. She's saying to
You
let
know,
out
when
your
you
anger.
get mad,
Like, why would I be throwing it at myself though?
Well, get the angry out.
If I'm angry with someone else, I want to like beat up that person.
Who cares? This one ugly. Nobody knows it's you.
Trash or treasure?
Trash.
Treasure.
Treasure.
Trash.
Treasure.
Okay,
This
next.
one
Yes.
treasure. This
Next,
one.
next.
I'm an actor. When you go on set, you get scripts after scripts after scripts, and I'm like, okay, cool. Like, let me save these because there's at some points when you don't work, and you're like, I want to just like reminisce all these
Wow.
stacks of scripts of all the things I've been in.
Daniel has been working so hard, and he's been in amazing shows, and was on one of the hottest shows of this season, which is Mom.
Filmed in
and
Warner
you
Brothers.
also worked alongside with.
Alice and Jeannie, and I worked, I'm going to be on Kidding, which is with Jim Carrey. So
Really?
yeah.
That's cool.
good.
Mom, do you know Jim Carrey?
Yes. Jim Carrey. Is that the one with the mouth? No, that's a different one.
Yeah.
No, that's him.
Yeah,
Ace
that's him.
Ventura.
No, is that the the
Detective?
gum something, right?
Dumb and Dumber.
Dumb and Dumber.
No, bubble gum something.
Oh, that's Forrest Gump.
Oh, Forrest Gump, yeah. Is that
No,
it?
that's not him. That's Tom Hanks.
That's Tom Hanks.
That's Tom Hanks. That's a
Tom
different one.
Hanks.
Oh, that's a Tom Hanks. I'm
Sorry,
sorry.
this is
Sorry.
really cool.
Okay.
I love these memories,
Yeah.
but I hate clutter.
It's so
I'm
much
over it.
clutter.
I would say if this was really something that meant a lot to you, I would see framing this, like framing one page.
Yeah.
or like
And yes.
just pieces. Just like I kept that too. That's like, when you do a table read, they put your name out and you get to
Wow.
sit next to everyone. And I was like, this is really cool. When like Oscar award-winning Allison Janney gives you a hug and is like, thank you for being on this episode. It's like, what?
I say treasure for one
Treasure,
piece of-
treasure. I like the
Treasure.
Okay,
Okay,
treasure.
cool.
I like the
Perfect.
treasure.
I know Jeannie always gets on my case about this shirt. It's turned into my sleep shirt. It's
Okay,
this.
okay, wait.
Okay.
When I first met Daniel, we would FaceTime each other in the middle of the night when we're talking about absolutely nothing. And
Hours.
every single time he'd FaceTime me, he was wearing this shirt. I remember asking him, where would you have gotten that shirt? And he said, it's actually a woman's shirt.
You're just like me. I wear every night. That's
See?
me.
Okay, so there's other people to model yourself after. Second thing is, I noticed in the frame of my FaceTime that this neckline started to look a little different on Daniel every single time he wore it.
So here it is. It's just like it's like cut open. There's like little cutouts there. But this has a history. That's why I don't want to give it away.
Oh my God.
His neck fits here.
You know what? Uncle Ted wear exactly like you. Exactly like you right now.
Why are we modeling ourselves after Uncle Ted?
Uncle Ted very cheap, just like him. Wear same thing.
It's
Reuse
nice.
it, yeah.
You can
Comfortable.
reuse it.
Comfortable.
I'm all
material.
about reusing, as you can see with my lashes and other things in my life. I just think that has taken its toll. I think we trash.
For right now, yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trash or treasure?
Treasure.
My-
Treasure. I
No, he
almost said
can wear it to wash the car, clean the garage, okay.
Yeah, okay. So Mom, you say?
Treasure.
treasure. It's like
One time I was talking to Daniel and I swear I thought there was a person like hiding like with their head right under because I saw like a forehead. It was the top of his breast coming out of the shirt.
Oh my gosh.
What is? I have the picture of it. I sent it on our group text.
That's a violation. You'll be hearing from my lawyers. This I got from Old Navy when it was like, you know, like those like major sales after like some sort of holiday, and they sell those pajama pants. Are so comfortable. It's these St. Patrick's Day pajamas.
That's your size.
Not anymore, Mama Mai. I lost all that weight. And then it has like these little cute like little things that say, be lucky.
Bitch, we
stay.
ain't getting lucky in those pants. No way, never. This is absolutely terrible. This is atrocious.
Whoever marry you gonna be lucky because you save a lot of money. You don't buy anything.
See?
That's
I just
right.
keep it. I keep it and I reuse
Mom,
it.
how is he gonna get married when he's wearing like that to bed?
When they get married, they let the
They don't
person buy
care.
for him.
They don't
worry.
care.
They
People don't
He's
care. I want
naked.
people to love me.
He's naked.
for
He don't
me.
wear this. Don't worry.
Trash or treasure to the 4-leaf clover pants? I say trash. I'm disgusted by the whole thing. Trash it all.
You messed it up,
I know.
man.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry. I'm sorry, Mom. Sorry.
Jeannie referenced me dressing up as Meghan Markle. I have this really great wig that I have,
Scary.
sorry, there's like stuff stuck to it. This great wig that I've altered. I've worn this for like so many Halloweens. This has had multiple lives. I will probably repurpose it and reuse it. So I don't even know why I'm asking trash or treasure, because it's a treasure.
It's shiny.
It's shiny. It's like a good
It's
coat.
not shiny,
It's like-
guys.
No, look at it. It's shiny.
Here.
That's the hair.
Mom, it's nylon.
I know.
Nylon is always shiny.
so like, right? Just like, put these on, just like.
Yes, it is.
Daniel, trash. Thank you so much for sharing all of your trash with us. As a gift, Mama Mai, you were in charge of, did you do it?
Yeah, where's my gift?
So Mama Mai has a gift for you. We want to bless you with something that will move you further on in your dreams and your ambition. And she had a budget of?
Yes, $5, $4.99.
Okay.
It was $4.99?
$4.99.
Okay.
Yeah, I give it to you. Take time and read it. You might find somebody love you. You never know. I bought it on sale.
Oh,
yeah.
Happily Ever After and 39 other myths about love, breaking through to the relationship of your dreams.
Why did you get Daniel that, Mom?
Because he's single guy. He need it. He
This
need
is
to
from
learn that.
Goodwill. This isn't even new.
Who cares? It's a lot of things to learn. If you read this one doesn't work for you, don't worry. Open this one. It's helped you a lot.
All right.
She's so proud of her.
Everything I give it to you is a value.
Am I having trouble? Easy does it.
Quilt.
Quit.
What did you say, Mom?
Quilt.
Quilts.
What is that?
Quilt, you know, we make the blanket. You know, when you're lonely, you hold a blanket or you hold a pillow
she's
by
like-
yourself, you know what I mean?
Don't forget to comment, and please do support Daniel on Instagram.
Thank you.
You will love
Thank
it.
you. Thank you.
Now you no more lonely.
This is nice. You know, I can read this and be with her, so I won't be lonely.
Do not forget to subscribe below.